Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be going over my Wealthsimple trade portfolio as an 18-year-old Canadian. I just turned 18 earlier in the month, and I am now making my investing journey public for everyone on YouTube to see. No, it's really just I kind of want to track it myself too, and I'm doing this just as a hobby because it'll be cool, I think, in 10 years to look back and see where my portfolio was and where it is now. And you guys can follow the journey if you guys would like, because I'm going to be posting every week, hopefully, a portfolio update. This one is kind of boring compared to the last, and the next ones might be a bit boring too, just because I'm not going to be adding too much to it, as I'm 18, so I only have a contribution of $6,000 for this year. So between now and the next year, like January 1st, 2022, I won't be adding much money to it. I'm just going to be I will be adding like $1,500 probably throughout that time frame. And then I'm gonna probably in 2022 have a more like automatic approach where I'm more consistent with my deposits. But obviously, since I only had a couple months here in 2021, I did just want to kind of get the $6,000 in the market as soon as possible. So I didn't really just do like $200 a week because it would have taken me longer to catch up. But I will be doing $200 a week in 2022. So anyways, let's get into the portfolio update. So as of right now, I'm down $8.95. It is around 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on September 24th. So the market is open. And yeah, so anyway, Algonquin Power, I have 23 shares of that with a total value of $442.52. All-time return, I'm down 1.5%, $7. Then we can move on to Couche-Tard here. I still have 4 shares of that, I believe. I don't think I added to any of these ones. I'm down $8.16. CN Rail, I have 2 shares. I'm down 22 cents. Amera, I have 4 shares. I'm down $3.44. As you can see, a lot of these stocks are in the red. There's a couple of companies really keeping me close. Like I should be down. I could be down a lot more if I didn't have Manulife and TD. Those are the ones that are really keeping me here. Like the 2 biggest positions I have in my portfolio are in the green, so that really helps. And anyway, let's get into Enbridge here. I have 4 shares of that. I'm basically even on that one. Fortis, I have 5 shares of that, and I'm down $5, so like $1 per share. Manulife, I'm up 1%, 1.09%. I'm up $9. I have 35 shares of this. I added a lot of shares since the last video, and I'll kind of explain why. The price did drop, and I was waiting for it too, because this is my favorite stock that I have in my portfolio. This and TD are pretty close. I really couldn't really pick one between the two. I do like both of them probably equally. It'd be really hard for me to pick one, but yeah, the PE ratio, which is a metric for basically measuring how overvalued or undervalued a stock is, generally speaking, the lower it is, the better. Like the more undervalued the company is. If it was like 100, generally you'd say that the company is overvalued. It's not always the case, but just generally speaking. So as you can see, the 6.71 is very low. Like I usually look from like anywhere from 10 to 20, even like 34. Like that's pretty good. Like 6.71 is unbelievably low, and I do think this company is very, very undervalued. Not only that, they do pay a 4.57% dividend yield, which is great, and I think they're going to keep growing that as they have been. And yeah, this is not financial advice by any means. Do your own research and put the time into research, and don't just buy a stock because I'm buying it. Make sure you understand the company. Research before you buy it. I researched this stock for countless hours before I decided to buy it, and I ended up liking it. If you don't like it, then that is your opinion, and I completely respect that. But definitely do your own research before you go out and put money into any company or any investment. Then let's just go back here to my TFSA. We have RioCan. So I have 6 shares of RioCan, down 1%, down $1. I don't have too much money into this. I believe it's my smallest holding. I think so. Besides the VFV, which I'm gonna put more money into probably soon here. These are my two REITs, RioCan and Smart Centers. Smart Centers is up 1.47, $1.47, 0.69%. I keep on confusing those two, but yeah. So I have 7 shares of that one. They pay a really high They pay a monthly dividend yield, and they pay like 1 of 6%. So I do like that one as it is a pretty good option for a REIT in Canada here. And then we have TELUS, which I'm down almost $10 on, down 2.32%. Ouch. It hasn't performed like I wanted it to, but companies like TD and Manulife are keeping me in there. Heading into TD here, I bought this stock at a really good price, and it's up 1.5% now, and I'm up almost $15. I have $1,000 invested in this total value now, which is nice. My average price for TD is $82.16. Man, that is nice. If you told me like in August that I would have a price in like early August that I'd have a price at $82.16 for TD, and I have across 12 shares, I would have laughed and said there's no way, because I didn't think the price would have dropped that much. But I'll take that all day. And now we get into my last holding here. The Vanguard S&P 500 index is basically a Canadian. So this is listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange. It's a Canadian index fund, and it basically has U.S. companies inside of it. So this is my way of kind of capturing some of the U.S. market. Obviously, I'm missing out on individual companies, but I at least get to capture the success. And the U.S. market is huge. It is like insane how big that is compared to the Canadian market. So I do want to get money invested into that. So this is my way of doing that, just because it's listed on the TSX, so I don't have to pay any fees for buying U.S. stocks. I can kind of just buy this, and I avoid those fees completely, which is why I do buy this index fund. The yield isn't great; it's 1%, but it's better than not paying a dividend yield. And I think the price appreciation for this over the long term will be pretty good. And like, as you can see, a 1-year chart here it is, a 5-year chart. It's doubled in the last 5 years, essentially, the stock price. So if it can just continue to kind of do that for the every 5 years doubling, I'll be very happy. And that was basically it for the 12 positions I have. I'm gonna buy a company right here live for you guys today. So I'm gonna go to today, or the last week here, and I'm gonna kind of see these are net deposits, so my portfolio didn't go up this much, but I'm gonna actually put more money into TD here today. I'm gonna buy 1 share of them, just because I think that they are up quite a bit today to start off the day, but I do believe in TD long term, and I think I'm gonna buy 1 more share of them today, right in front of you guys here. So yeah, let's buy 1 share of TD here. Don't think we have enough for 2. We don't, so I'm just gonna buy 1. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm placing a market order. So Wealthsimple basically makes an attempt to fill at the best available price. Wealthsimple's prices are actually like 15 minutes behind, but I just checked out on my phone, and it's pretty much the same as what it says here. So I'm just gonna go through this on number of shares, estimated cost, and I confirm the order. So my order was sent. I bought 1 share of TD at estimated cost of $83.19 here. So let me just close that off. And now, And now we can go to my portfolio. I will increase my average price a little bit from what I've paid for this company, but what can you do? I still think $83 is a good price to buy it at. My average price is only $82.26 now, and this company has been performing well for me, so why not buy it a little bit more? Anyways, that's going to wrap up today's video. If you guys want to stay tuned for the future videos, subscribe and hit the notification bell. You'll get notified every time I post a video. This portfolio is going to be the main focus of my channel going forward. I am going to update my crypto portfolio, I'd say once a month probably, and this one I'm going to do weekly. But if you guys want to follow my investing journey from the time I turned 18, so literally from my 18th birthday, so when I'm 25 years old and over the next couple of years, definitely stay tuned. I'm probably going to be posting videos on this channel for a long time, And I think it's going to be cool to see where my portfolio kind of grows to. If you guys subscribe now, you'll be early, and you'll kind of see this portfolio grow over time and kind of follow my investment journey. Anyways, if you guys want to get 2 free stocks, just gotta get this quick little plug in here. There's a link in the description to sign up for this this brokerage I'm kind of showing off right now. Click that link, sign up. It's a no fee, so you don't have to pay any fees on buying stocks here in Canada or selling, which is nice. As long as it's listed on the TSX, Wealthsimple Trade doesn't have fees associated with that for the most part, generally speaking. And you'll basically get 2 free stocks, the value of 2 free stocks, when you use my link in the description to sign up. And basically, I get that as well when you sign up through that link. So it kind of supports me, supports my videos, where I can produce, better quality videos, get some better equipment, kind of, and it also supports you can kind of get some free money to start off investing here in Canada. But anyways, see you guys in the next video. This one was a little bit of a long-winded one, so if you made it through, then props to you. And thanks for watching, guys.